Are you making cookies, Harper? What's in your stove? Did you make cookies?
Open it.
Did you make cookies, Harper? What's in your stove? Let's see. Okay, open it. Are they done? What's in there, Harper? Did you make cookies? Let's see.
Cookies. Bring it out. Bring it out.
Harper had no idea there was actually a cookie baking in her oven.
Oh, yes.
Oh, great, it's falling apart. Olivia, you couldn't find a little pan for it?
No.
Wow! Let's see your cookie. Did you make it? Wow. Can Mommy have some? Oh, thanks. Let's just roll it around on the floor first. That's always nice. Is it good, Olivia? Does your sister make good cookies? Awesome. Is it yummy, Harper?